Lesson 11. Surfing Internet. Surfing Internet means to navigate through the World Wide Web or Internet, usually by clicking with the mouse to search topics of interest. Web surfing has become a favorite pastime for many Internet users. The links on each page enable you to start virtually anywhere on the web and eventually find interesting pages. The term surfing is generally used to describe a rather undirected type of web browsing in which the user jumps from page to page rather whimsically as opposed to specifically searching for specific information. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, abbreviated as WWW, was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in the year 1989 in Switzerland. The World Wide Web comprises files called pages or web pages. The web pages contain links to documents and resources throughout the internet. The initial purpose of the web was to use network hypertext in order to facilitate communication among its members. As time passed, the number of users increased manifold. As a result, the number of developers also increased. It led to the incorporation of graphics, videos, and sounds. People consider internet and the web to be same, but it is not so. The World Wide Web is accessed through the internet. It is like many of the other features of the internet, like email. Hypertext. Hypertext is a document containing words that connect to other documents. These words are called links and are selectable by the user. A single hypertext document can contain words or graphics that serve as links to many documents, images, video, and sound. The entire operation of the web mainly relies on hypertext. HTML. Producing hypertext for the web is accomplished by creating documents with a language called Hypertext Markup Language (HTML). It provides more flexible ways to design web pages along with text. With HTML, tags are placed within the text for document formatting like font size, italics, and bold, and the creation of hypertext links. Graphics and multimedia can also be included into an HTML document. Multimedia. Earlier, the entire multimedia files, which used to be quite large and took enough time in downloading, had to be downloaded before viewing. This problem has been overcome by a revolutionary development in multimedia capability. In the case of streaming media, audio or video files are played as they are downloading or streaming into your computer. Before the file begins to play, only a small wait known as buffering is necessary. As the name implies, multimedia is the integration of multiple forms of media. This includes text, graphics, video, etc. For example, a presentation involving audio and video clips would be considered a multimedia presentation. Several plugins are available for viewing these Videos. The Windows Media Player, Real Player, and QuickTime plugins play streaming audio and video files. Extensive files such as files of interviews, speeches, hearing, and televised video clips work very well with these players. They are also ideal for the broadcast of real-time events. Shockwave and Flash are plugins that offer the creation and implementation of an entire multimedia display combining graphics, animations, and sounds. Live cams are another aspect of the multimedia available on the web. Live cams are video cameras that send their data in real time to a web server. Real-time communication. Text, audio, and video communication can happen in real time online on the web. These capabilities allow people to conference and collaborate in real time. At its simplest, chat programs allow multiple users to chat with each other in real time. More enhanced real-time communication offers an audio and/or video component. The real-time communication tools include chat, type in real time, audio, conduct a telephone conversation on the web, video, view your audience, file transfer, send files back and forth among participants, document application sharing, view and use a program on another's desktop machine. Current trends, blogs and RSS. The web is a great medium for experimentation and user participation. It is becoming easier to post web content and share comments with other users. Web participation is taking new forms and being driven by new technologies that promote social interaction. Blogs. A blog is an easy-to-create website that allows users to share their thoughts with the world. The word blog comes from vblog because a blog consists of a signed and dated log of individual postings. The topic of the blog can be anything, from the personal to the professional. A blog is what you make of it. A blog is a type of website or a part of a website. Blogs are usually maintained by an individual with regular entries of commentary, description of events or other material such as graphics or video. Blogging can be an interactive activity. Readers can add comments to a blogger's postings, others respond, and a conversation ensues. Lately, bloggers have become well-known commentators on the political scene, but blogging can encompass any topic. Visit www.blogger.com to know more about blogs and to set up your own blog. RSS. RSS allows people to broadcast news and other announcement type items into web pages. RSS, most commonly expanded as Really Simple Syndication, is the family of web feed formats used to publish frequently. Users can subscribe to the RSS news feeds of their choice and then have access to the updated information as it comes in. RSS is used for all kinds of purposes, including the news itself and announcing new contents on websites. RSS content may be read by using an RSS reader or aggregator. This is a free software that posts new items and stores old ones in a graphical interface. An RSS reader is similar to an email software in that it displays incoming items and can store content for offline reading. Subscribing to a news feed is usually as simple as entering the address of the RSS document. On web pages, web feeds are typically linked with the word subscribe and orange rectangle or with the letters XML or RSS. Updated words such as blog entries, news headlines, audio and video are in a standardized format. E-cards. An e-card is a greeting card sent through internet, usually through email. There are many sites on the internet which provide the facility of sending free e-cards like www.hallmark.com, www.archiesonline.com, www.123greetings.com, www.americangreetings.com, etc. Follow the steps to send an e-card. Visit e-card site, say www.hallmark.com and click on e-cards. Click on the desired card to send. Click on personalize button. Log in with your user ID and password. Create your account in case you are using this site for the first time by clicking on Create One Now tab. Enter your valid email address and password. Now click on Continue button. A new web page opens up. Specify recipient's email address. Add your personalized message and your own email address. By clicking on Preview button, you can also preview the animation. If you wish, you can change the card by repeating the above steps. Click on Send button. A confirmation message will appear telling you that your card has been sent. On sending the card, the recipient will receive an email with a link to the e-card provider's webpage. On clicking that link, the card will open up. Remember that the card is not sent through email but only its link. Points for review. Internet is a collection of interconnected networks. Surfing internet means to navigate through the World Wide Web or internet. The computers on the internet communicate with each other using COL/internet protocol, TCP/IP. Hypertext is a document containing words that connect to other documents. A blog is an easy-to-create website that allows users to share their thoughts with the world. An e-card is a greeting card sent through internet, usually through email. There are many sites on the internet which provide the facility of sending free e-cards like www.hallmark.com, www.archiesonline.com, www.123greetings.com.